Maritime law actually comes from England. It's jurisprudence is how lawyers describe it. What that means is it's a body of law that's come about through cases over the years. Under maritime law, if you're injured on the water, you can actually collect any and all damages that you suffered because of that injury. This means medical expenses, wages, pain and suffering amounts. Maritime injury law is usually filed in federal court. It's governed under federal law, so typically the cases end up in federal court. Some of the questions we get asked about how maritime law works is there a certain time period when you have to file your case? If it's a true maritime law claim, it's going to be a 3-year period. However, we always recommend that you file much sooner than that. There's a lot of advantages to getting your case filed early. You can use the court system to protect evidence. You can also get things moving. You can compel depositions. You can make the other side give you documents. There's a lot of protections to filing the case earlier. Maritime cases typically move pretty quickly in court, especially federal court. It may seem like a long time, but sometimes the cases can get over with in as short as a year, maybe a year and a half from the very beginning to the very end. Maritime lawyers, you'll hear them described as, there's typically not a certificate or a type of degree that you get for maritime law. It's just the study of the law. What we do find over the years, though, is that there are lawyers who really focus on maritime law, like us in our law firm. And then there's other lawyers who really don't understand it at all. Probably a third or half of our clients actually come from other attorneys who refer these clients to us because they know that maritime law is complicated. They don't want to mess up the client's claim, so they get us involved as sort of the firm that focuses on it, that has really deep knowledge about it and how it works. Maritime laws are definitely complicated. It can be a very confusing time for you and your family. Call us today and we can get started helping you and your family. We've been getting life-changing settlements and verdicts for our clients for more than 30 years. Let us start helping you today after your injury.